Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef, and today's recipe is Arbi Kebab or Taro root patties. This is a first video of our playlist Heal Through Food. The motive behind this playlist to educate viewers about small yet powerful steps to prevent, cure and improve your and your loved ones' physical and mental health. Today's ingredient is salt. Let's start making it. First boil taro root for 30 minutes or until fork tender. Then we will quickly chop onion, ginger, green chilies and cilantro, followed by peeling boiled taro root. Taro root kebabs are quick and easy to make and can be served as an appetizer or side dish on any occasion. I will be providing an information about which salt in the world is best to consume daily, why it is important for all age groups, what are the benefits of the same. You can find detailed recipe in description box as well. Salt is a most common ingredient in worldwide cooking. So what is salt, why it is important for our body, and what mistakes we are making while choosing salt? All answers in this video, so please watch this video till end. According to science, salt is made up of two elements, sodium and chloride, which are essential for our body as they help your brain and nerves to send electrical impulses. In Ayurveda, the salty taste is one of the 6 tastes, and each taste has a mental and physical function in the body. It should be a part of daily diet for being healthy overall. According to Ayurveda, there are 6 salts that are used in medicines. All salts work differently according to body type. The one exception to this rule is the salt called sendhav in Sanskrit, senda namak in Hindi, and rock salt in English. And it is sometimes interchangeably called as an Himalayan pink salt. Now time to saute our onion until it turns pinkish to golden brown in color. Ayurveda recommends the regular use of rock salt in your food. Rock salt is a mineral form, isometric crystals of sodium chloride. It also contains other elements like magnesium, potassium, iron, zinc, etc. Mined rock salt is suitable for human consumption. It is significantly low in iodine. Rock salt mined in the Punjab region of Pakistan. Time to mix in all the ingredients together and shape it into the patties. Please do not add all dry roasted chickpea flour at once. Add it in batches and stop adding more once the mixture is firm enough to hold its shape. Rock salt is considered to be the purest form of salt, containing 84 natural minerals and elements found in human body. Pink salt in Ayurveda treated as a heart tonic, anti-diabetic and good for bone health. The only salt in the world which is cool in nature. You must be wondering that can we use any kind of rock salt? So the answer is no. Ayurveda divides rock salt into 2 main varieties, including white senda namak, also called white rock salt. Second, pink senda namak, also called Himalayan pink salt. All other forms of rock salt includes dark or light blue, purple, grey, dark black, orange and yellow are not considered the best form of rock salt. Black salt or kala namak is also a type of rock salt which contains sulfur content in addition to sodium chloride. According to Ayurveda, it is second best salt for using in food after white rock salt. Rock salt is the best salt amongst all. Now the question is, what is the difference between rock salt and table salt? Though there are a lot of salts, but I am comparing the best with worst as per Ayurveda. Another reason is table salt or regular salt is used by most of the people around the world in their homes. Table salt is usually highly refined and 90% or higher sodium chloride, meaning that it's heavily grounded with most of its elements and trace minerals removed. Various substances called anti-caking agents, additives, and harmful chemicals are added so that it flows freely. The addition of iodine to table salt is the result of a successful public health preventative measure against iodine deficiency, which was common in many parts of the world. Iodine deficiency is leading cause of hypothyroidism, intellectual disability, and various other health problems. Excessive iodine in the body results into the same problem. Though it was started for protecting human beings from diseases, but now it is number one cause in rapidly increasing number in thyroid, anxiety, stress, and various other health problems because of excessive dose of iodine. Time to shape our mixture. Put little oil in your palm. Take a portion, roll it and compress it in a tight ball. Then press it between two palms and give it a small disc shape. I am using mustard oil here, but you can use any vegetable or seed oil. All the salts are hot in nature and giving multiple problems. For instance, in fairly young age, hair fall, grey hair, infertility, wrinkles, dryness, dullness, to name few. I am cooking it in air fryer for 15 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit, but you can also shallow fry or bake it in the oven. It should turn out non-greasy and crispy. Whereas pink rock salt or white rock salt balances 3 dosha or tridoshak, means suitable for all body types. It is best for overall digestion and metabolism. It improves appetite. It is the only salt that has cooling effect. It is beneficial for overall health. It is very light to digest. It creates food appetizing, oily, soften the skin, beneficial for men, spread minutely to each cell, and excellent for eyes. To sum up, for the best result, replace table salt or regular salt with white or pink rock salt completely. Even you can mix it with your regular salt in 50-50 ratio or 70-30 ratio. If you like this video and information on salt, please help me to grow my channel so that I can make more and more interesting videos. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and do not forget to click bell icon for notification of latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll come soon with the next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.